Hello, hello. Anybody can hear me? It should be up and running now. Hello? If anybody can hear me, drop me pluses, please. Anybody can hear me? It should be up and running. Oh, nice. So okay, just let me check. I think I can hear myself, so 1 second. Oh, 1 second. Oh, nice. Sound is bad. Is the sound too quiet? Or sound is delayed? Just let me know if it's too quiet. I can try to get it higher up. I think the video should be good quality. Yes, it needs a bit louder. The sound is alright. Alright, I will make a bit louder sound. Okay, now it should be better. So hopefully everybody doing well. It's good, sounds right. Amazing. Yeah, we tested a bit earlier the setup, and video quality was really good, but we had some issues with the sound, so hopefully everybody can hear me. If there's any questions, just drop in the chat box in the YouTube. From now on, we will have a once a week public Q&A, so we can cover any questions you have specifically. So we'll go over some Discord questions. In 1 second, just let me double check. We had specific questions regards TR and TC, which is trend reversal and trend continuation. Then we had what is our specifically daily process every day, like looking for trades or setups, daily base or weekly base, and so on. So we will cover some how we categorize daily setups or weekly setups, and specific and when we cover again the three rule setup, a three rule concept, basically where, when, and how. Basically the liquidity level, the high-low range, and entry concept regards the time rotation of the open price. And then there was specifically a question regards liquidity market structure liquidity tool, to cover specifically regards the storylines and context between the multi-time frames. Build the bias. Yeah, the storylines, that's kind of like your bias, not predictor, but bias filter. Like it's kind of gives you bias which direction market most likely will go. Okay, so let's first let's go through the liquidity first, so we can cover the market structure liquidity tool. I will try to time the live Q&A like 1 hour-ish, so most of the times it goes over like couple hours. We will have access to replay in the YouTube video, yeah, and I'll Q&As will be saved in YouTube in specific playlists most likely, and then when we cover when we record, like basically all the live streams, Q&A weekly live streams will be on YouTube, so they will be just simply in the playlist, weekly Q&As, because they are public access ones. And then specific educational sections as covering specific topics like, you know, liquidity, and whichever is any topics will be in education section. That video recordings will be as well from YouTube, but the links will be specifically probably private, just links in the Discord so you can access it. And yeah, and any examples and so on will be always in YouTube. Is it required? No methodology to use the methodology to use the indicators. There is a few like screeners and P2P indicators and upgraded version, which is specifically for Stacy Burks and Camerons from P2P style trading. And then there is a few which is like range key levels and multi-time frame market structure liquidity. That's Automa's concept, not Automa's kind of hybrid version of concepts from ICT and Stacy Burks. Do you need to know methodology how Stacy Burks trades or ICTs? I will say yeah. Regard Stacy Burks or P2P, what we specifically using, that's high and low of the range and multi-time frame view on the high and the low of the range, like this table up there, which on some another pairs probably is gonna show maybe something, which basically is the multi-time frame order flow, which shows when the high or low of the range was put in place. Like shows previous days we put in place high of the week, previous week we put high of the quarter / high of the month. So this week we definitely will look for setups of high of the week, just because if previous high of the quarter, previous week high of the quarter, high of the month, which is here, if this is not just put in place, but that if this weekly high respects previous week high of the quarter, high of the month, that's it's protected, and we definitely have a nice setup from high of the week. And basically it's applicable on any time frame on any ranges. So basically this low of the week, which was Monday, basically Monday, but it's been already Sunday. Anyway, so Monday we put low of the week in place. Tuesday we will gonna aggressively look for low of the day setups, because if low of the week is put in place and it's low of the day locks in, we know we aggressively can look for low of the day setup for weekly range to expand further. As well depend where the weekly open is. So this time of the week is on Monday, so weekly open is here. So weekly open, so we can expect if this low of the week is in place, that stays there, and low of the week weekly open is put in place, we could have an aggressive weekly push upwards, you know, and so on. Anyways, yeah, that's regarding the Automa tools. And liquidity, that's like if we switch off like this all multi-time frame liquidities, like dailies, hourlies, 4 hourlies, that's just a fractal concept of market structure, of multi-time frame market structure and structural highs and lows as targeted as the liquidity sweeps. We specifically trading very aggressive reversal trades after market after liquidity sweeps, like today like this low, which was, yeah, this was absolutely nice entry. So basically okay, let's cover first from liquidity point of view the Discord question regards, he asks specifically regards 15-minute. We can switch off rest of it, and if we go 1 minute, specifically regards 15 minutes liquidity levels. So basically on 1 minute now you can see every single 15-minute structural liquidity level. So so basically the last one which been broken is this one up there. So that will show, that's as soon any of levels liquidity doesn't matter the time frame, any liquidity level which will be broken, it will produce storyline which will say it's instantly bear or bull. In this case, this last 15-minute liquidity high been swept and market failed to go higher, to push higher for further liquidity. So it instantly puts storyline bearish. So this is high probability setup if you just taking in consideration liquidity. So you will need to look for alignment of multi-time frame storylines. So basically this line is 50-minute storyline at the moment. If we put on 1 hour, like let's take just 1 hour step by step. So we have a look where is last hourly. So that's as well as hourly. Okay, so now this is stronger, but it's not just 50-minute, but as well as hourly. Okay, so now we compare hourly versus 4 hourly. Okay, that's as well 4 hourly. Okay, daily. So yeah, this definitely is daily. Hold on, let me. Sometimes you need to open a bit like daily, weekly, monthly storylines. You're not gonna be able to see on 1 minute because it could be too far away. So you want to switch on 5 minute, 15 minute. So in this case, that was this one here. So where is our daily? 1 second, let me daily switch off this on, so just 15 minutes. Actually that was, I think, daily. Just double check so it doesn't. Yeah, that's last daily structural high which been broken. So that is last daily bearish storyline. So basically market put daily structural in place, moved lower, targeted 4 hourly, swept, created again 4 hourly, broke structure because swept both sides, pushed up, and when it's pushed up, what we have a fresh liquidity level, it's swept and failed to go higher, can't pull back, pushed attempting again, and now it works as a resistance. So that's last daily. So basically the last liquidity, so which level is this, whichever it is last broken / swept liquidity level is gonna turn as a storyline. So basically if they sweep it and fail to break it, go higher, it will turn instantly as storyline bearish. So now if we go back to 1 minute, So we know that's the daily. Just double check, does it shows me on 1 minute? Okay, it shows. Okay, maybe there was some glitch or something before. Oh, I know what it is. So basically, sorry. So basically on the settings, like question regards the 15 minute. Yeah, for entries on 1 minute, it's good, but only if you're using in the context, because otherwise you can, if you use just 15 minutes, you could loosen the noise. And as well to be aware, if you switch all the lines on, some high, like I said, some high time frames are not gonna show, just because there is a limit of lines how much it can show on the indicator. It's like 500. So if you, because obviously there is less, yeah, like see, it doesn't even show the line, but the label still knows that's the daily. Interesting. Yeah, because labels, there is less limit of the labels than lines. What I mean by that, there is like, look, there is only 3 levels of 4 hourly lines, but there is like 10 hourly ones. So obviously if you switch on lower time frames, it's gonna produce more lower time frame liquidity lines instead higher time frame, and higher time frame will be removed as in this case. Anyways, so we know that's the daily, and sometimes like how we go around this situation. So you still want to see the storyline of higher time frame, just chart it once or twice a week on the high time frames and just drop line manually. But another thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the table there on the corner or something, which we're gonna stay instantly, like which time frame is what storyline, bearish or bullish instead, like. But still, for us, we like to once or twice a week just drop, like mark, like I done it before, like here, you just, you know, manually just drop, just open the high time frame storylines or liquidity levels and just drop it. So, you know, because like yearly, there's no way you're gonna see yearly levels on the chart, but they are significant if you're you know, trading like weekly setups or monthly setups, targeting high demand, low demand, when it's heavily rejects like some, you know, monthly liquidity levels, quarterly, yearly. They are absolutely crazy. Just let me check the questions. Grant info, I did not know that server. Regards high of the week, low of the week, 1 second, I will cover with the regards the liquidity, and so it makes clear, and then I will cover high of the week, low of the week, or, you know, high of the range, low of the range, how we read multi time frames. So basically, yeah, regards liquidity, like let's take today's example. Yeah. So if we know that's daily resistance, daily level which been broken, and they failed to push higher, so I definitely will, you know, look for liquidity, which in this case we have a 4 hourly liquidity. It's been swept and then rejected. But same time, that's just locally. If you intraday trader, like, you know, then you easily can like intraday scalping or just intraday setups, you can easily completely enough this 15 minutes to 4 hour. So in this case, just I will answer a question regards the multi-time frame storylines. So this 4 hourly is as well, because you can see you don't have any hourly or 15-minute storylines, because this 4 hourly is the last 50-minute and last hourly break, because you can see if you go back, yeah, that was prior it broke this one, you had an hourly storyline here, but just because this high is as well 50-minute liquidity slash hourly and 4 hourly, it's instantly that is what, like, higher time frame, higher, you know, better rejection, stronger rejection, so stronger level. Regards the multi time frame, so if you just have a look for better example. So okay, let's take the same 4 hour. So now 4 hourly is bearish. You say, okay, I'm looking for shorts. So what can invalidate bearish storyline? 4 hourly, another 4 hourly line. So basically it will be bearish till this line is invalidated. So it instantly will be what? Bullish. So if they reclaim, retest, and create maybe some 15-minute and just go higher, you can, you know, next 4 hourly structure is here. So and we have some liquidity up there. But at the same time, like I said, you want to see the like daily. We know, okay, daily is here, and now they are breaking the daily storyline. So okay, potentially 4 hourly, you know, if fails, we go higher. Same time, this will be bearish all the way. We come down, and this 4 hourly, because each level is some market structure high and low of the past. So basically, if this fails, we go what? 4 hourly time frame. So if you go 4 hourly time frame, so 4 hourly time frame, we're gonna go what? Structure wise, gonna go for structure's next structure high. It's gonna go higher for next structure high, and so on, so on. Actually, it should load in. Yeah, sometimes it just drops error. Just either refresh the page or just change the time frame again, and it should load in. Yeah. So yeah, that's the last 4 hourly. So this is 4 hour time frame, 4 hour candles. Yeah. So if this level fails structure wise, what's the next one? This one. If this one holds and market fails, what's gonna target? Then target this one. You have specific storyline idea is as a bias. If you have example, just as example, if your daily storyline was like, let's say, I don't know, whatever, any random level, like here, any daily storyline was bearish. So what can endanger the daily storyline? One time frame lower. So daily was bearish all the way to where? All the way down. Okay, there is no, but example, if there was, okay, I'll give you another example. So basically, if daily is bearish, first obstacle for daily bearish will be 4 hourly. If we had some 4 hourly here and it came down, it's triggered the 4 hour liquidity. What 4 hourly storyline done? Put bullish. So that's the one time frame lower from whichever storyline you're looking. That's your obstacle. And you ask specifically a question regards 50 minutes. You need to know that where you are on, like basically where you in multi time frames, where you in hourly. So example, like, is this 50-minute low? Is this 50-minute low is, you know, when it comes and triggers, and it will be bullish. It can be just a pullback for hourly, and daily to just go lower. So basically you need to for in this case, like for 15 minutes, what's gonna be first obstacle? Like they can trigger, they come up, but then they can on like 5 minutes liquidity, just leave 5 minutes and go down and go lower. Basically, the main goal, what I'm trying to say is that example, this 4 hourly can be changed by another 4 hourly, like here, or the same one. But the obstacle for 4 hourly will be the hourly, one time frame lower, which is this one, which is this one, which is black, which is hourly. So market could come down, trigger it, bullish. So hourly is bullish. Hourly is the first obstacle for 4 hourly to be able to flip back 4 hourly to bullish. At the same time, remember this 4 hourly, no, it's not just 4 hourly, as well it's hourly and 15 minute. Because it's hourly, what is obstacle for hourly? 15 minute liquidity. So this is 15 minute. So this push could be hourly, and 15 minutes can be obstacle to go down and come back and flip it bullish to go higher. Just specifically just because we know we have a daily here, which on 5 minutes I think, which is failing I think at the moment. So that's how you read multi-time frame storylines, one against another. So we know this is hourly, that's 4 hourly. So this hourly aligned with 4 hourly. So this, like on 1 minute, if you had entry here, like time rotation, whatever, you can have a scalp from hourly easily down to 15 minutes, because if they're coming down, they're gonna definitely sweep this, then either reject and go higher. Why the hell daily doesn't show up? Yeah, you need to go higher time frame because of the line. I'm just curious where specifically it was. Yeah, this was where's the hourly, that's where it was daily as well. So yeah, definitely. So daily storyline is failing. You get hourly flip and 4 hourly. So pretty good zone. So if this fails, they're definitely gonna take this 4 hourly. Is there guidance available on how to use the indicator? Yeah, we have specifically for liquidity levels and multi-time frame key levels. We have PDFs in the Discord. So next question. So let's just think about. So yeah, basically storylines you want to see, alignment. Just give you another example. So down here. So in this area, the last daily liquidity was swept this one. So that is our daily storyline at that point. That daily storyline will be valid till next daily liquidity is swept. So if that level holds, so let's quickly cover some simple basics. So we know candle can go either up or either down. So because like white specific levels, so white specific ranges, we make our conditions and our conditions absolutely simply with specific level objective. So if we know candle can go either up or either down, we put the most attention for first green candle, first red candle, because to reverse the market is the most hardest and expensivest part, because you need to involve double volume. If you know candle can go either up or either down, and we have a down bar, down bar, down bar, first up bar. So what is the highest probability to next bar follow, to go up? Because we already established first up bar. If we establish first up bar, we know highest probability that market gonna start to go, follow the previously established range slash, candle. That it instantly gives us a specific level. So what happens when first candle goes up? We have instantly structural low. So we then looking for last structural high, where market is going down, 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 going up, establish first down bar, create a structural high. So now if the, like here, same principle for the structure, same principle for the candles. Candle can go either up or either down. If it fails to go lower than previous candle, then it means what? It's gonna go high. If it's reversing, what's gonna target? Previous candles high. Previous candles, previous, blah blah blah. So we all instantly have objective rule set till proven otherwise. What does it mean till proven otherwise? Till we have established down bar. Simple. So with this rule set, we know market can go either down or either up for specific range slash specific candle or range, or time frames the same. It's if it's daily candle or daily range or daily range, time frame, candle, whatever. So basically it's the same principle. When you can start to see that on multi time frames, that's saying, oh yeah, I know this level specifically, previous day's low is the level. I know if today is down bar, because yesterday was down bar, and today market should follow, and it fails on this specific price on lower time frame like WAWA. On hourly we establish first up bar. Obviously, what does it shows you? That shows daily candle, daily time frame, daily range low fails to do the job and go lower. So obviously we have established first hourly up bar on the low, breaking or sweeping previous day's low, aka making quick formation low. What we are looking for setup to going higher. Simple as that. On the structure is the complete same thing. So what, like I said, what creates the structure? It creates lows, highs. It creates instantly structure. So if this is structurally low point put in place, what market need to do? Market need to go and target another side of the structure to show you break and potential to go higher. So here is the same principle. We have a structurally high, market comes down, takes structurally low. So if this is AK candles high, candles low, in this case structures high, structures low, and market comes down and breaks the structure and fails to do what? To push structure lower, because market either trending one direction or another direction. So if it fails to go lower and start to get support on this last liquidity slash market structure level, what's gonna target? So it means the same, it shows us weakness on daily structure. What's gonna target? All the way up to the daily structural high. But what is the, what is invalidation for this setup? Yeah, if this daily level storyline fails, obviously if we just draw a nice line again, whatever. So it's broke nicely, came back, tested, failed. So we are bearish because storyline is bearish on locally, and like in 1 minute maybe you have like 15-minute sweep or whatever, and we just trading lower. Trading where? What is the first obstacle for daily storyline? for our story, for our liquidity, for our level. So where is our 4-hour level? Here. So what is it done? It came down and took out and failed. This 4-hourly instantly flipped bullish. So we have 4-hourly structural low which been swept as the liquidity. Instantly we can look for setups because structure is failing. It's failed to break out. Sorry, this is just simple storyline. Breakout will be here. We'll cover in a second. So this 4-hour flips bullish. So what is it gonna do? It's first obstacle for daily. It's gonna push back to daily, or proven otherwise. This will fail, come down, retest, and continue downer. So it's consolidates. Know when you are between 2 points of storylines. Is like, okay, it's, you know, what, like, it's pushed up. What is obstacle for 4-hour? Hourly. So you could have hourly high or 15-minute high, which was obstacle. Bang, it's boom, came down. But then you will again, like for entries, look, okay, we have a example. This is Tuesday, that's Wednesday. So you have a low of the week. So if you know you have a low of the week here, 4-hourly structure is holding, it's bullish. Come to the screen next day. On Wednesday you say, okay, yesterday was low of the week. If yesterday was low of the week, I'm instantly looking today for low of the day setups. Where is the liquidity? Alright, they swept 4-hour structure there, and they are failing to push lower. And look at this nice candle. It's nice pin bar. We have nice pin bar here, and we have a daily open. What's that? Daily time rotation with 1-2 candles. They flip the books. Daily flip bullish again. Remember I said about single candle and previous levels, whatever. Why open price is so important? Because the open price is the one which decides either candle will be bullish candle or bearish candle. So instantly here with 15-minute candle you say, alright, daily flips bullish. Alright, daily low respects low of the week, low of the month, low of the quarter for that, because that's previous week. So we know we have what as this table multi-time frame order flow, where this low of the month, low of the week, low of the quarter, this low of the day respects this low. Just flipping daily candle first bullish candle, and 4-hour structural level was holding. Daily storyline flip bullish. Where it's to lead? It's lead from daily structural liquidity sweep, flips the storyline, went all the way up to daily high. Time frame, that's just, time is illusion, but time frame is just a strength, because market is fractal. It's just time frame, that's just a strength. Regards these labels, as you know, that's breakout levels. I don't use such a term, breakout structure or market breakout structure, or change of character, or market shift, or break-in structure, or breakout structure. For me, every single change of character, if somebody use, for me it's just a breakout, because like I said, you will have either breakout which will lead to the trend, or it's gonna be failed breakout, like where is the example, like this, like look, they just stop hunted and back, they failed it, they failed to breakout, as you know, change of character, or whatever is being created from what, when they sweep one side, they sweep another side. So so it instantly puts you on attention. You look, fail breakout, while they between the this level, yeah, that's like accumulation. But instantly in the same time, on lower time frames, that's irreversible gain. Breakout, like fail breakout or trend breakout. When instantly on fail breakout, you can trade as the reversal, as a stronger reversal if it fails. Same like here. And like, or just like, because like I said, each level will flip instantly as a storyline. The last broken level will instantly be as bullish or bearish storyline, but the breakout levels, they are stronger storylines, because okay, if this rejects, I know if this, because that's these failed breakouts, they are smart money traps, because they gives you the false change of characters or false reactions just to induce you in the market, as used to liquidity, just to after they come back and reverse it. So yeah. What are the questions? Okay, let me cover. Yeah, I covered regards the guidance. So regards the liquidity, I think that should be clear now. Just put in the chat if anybody has another questions regards specifically liquidity. But on the single term side, I put, as mentioning today, we mentioned today in the chat that how you can see the difference between the just storyline from liquidity or breakout storyline slash market structure. So we have a test settings here. There's no, you can see more advanced ones, because we're working on some cool stuff. As liquidities, not liquidities, but market structures screener, so we know when we have a failed breakout or breakout on another pairs. So basically the easiest way, like I say, just put like example here, just 4 hourly, and then put market structure cloud and like 4 hourly. So now it's instantly, you're gonna see which is the latest market structure for 4 hourly. So now you can see, because for market structure you need what? You need break one side, and the, sorry, that's not 4 hourly. Put this. Yeah, I think we didn't mention you need to put the time frame the same which you want, if you want to just, you know, understand more specifically. So now it does what? It shows you the last. So basically that's like market structure cloud. This is like old market structure levels which we are used for liquidity as for targets. So we know if we come down, we take this side, and if it's reverse, it's gonna target what? It's gonna target another side of that same structural level. Till proven otherwise, it's just when it fails to go higher and stuff like that. So if we just switch out the cloud, you can easily see that, like example here, we swept the last 4 hourly structure, market flipped out and went for another side, and rinse repeat, just over and over and over again. And specifically when you put the market structure cloud on it, just look how market is behaving. It just simply just sweeps one side, sweeps another side, comes, sweeps another side, comes, sweeps another side. Lately just goes zigzags constantly. Why? Because it needs the liquidity to move. If you don't have liquidity, you can't move. And when you can see, and if it breaks out, like example here, like look, like kind of when it's inside in the market structure cloud, it's kind of consolidates between the breakouts, because I look for this breakout, bearish breakout, to occur, you need what? sweep on the high, sweep on the low, and then it's gonna have a condition. Okay, that's the breakout. It's either gonna fail and they're gonna target another side, or it's gonna this storyline, this specific storyline, that's the breakout storyline, because breakout happened here, and instantly on lower time frame breakthrough, retested, and there, yep, this bullish sorry, bearish storyline is holding, and we have what? We have 4-hourly structural breakout. So we are broke out of the structure and we potentially have a trend breakout. So we might to trend. If we are trending down, guess what? What is gonna target for? It's gonna target, look, we have a cluster liquidity pool of four levels of liquidity for our market structure, and then it just, and here we gonna aggressively trade high of the 4-hour till it's gonna push down, and that's it. But same time here, like, okay, this is just storyline, but like when you have a failed breakout on the top side, example like this one, yeah, let's see, like failed breakout, this went up again, you can see this high respects this high, and if this is Friday and this high is Thursday, so imagine, as we can see, this is probably Thursday, Friday, so this is the high of the week, that's the Wednesday. So on Thursday we're definitely looking for high of the day, because high of the week being put in place. If that's put in place, we definitely want to follow the order flow and try to get the setup the high of the day. So Thursday put high of the day. We come on the market Friday, okay, we have a high of the day, we have high of the week, so that's mean today either we gonna respect previous day's high, so daily gonna respect the previous day, or it's gonna come up, sweep maybe, and then reverse, because if the week in place, we're gonna push lower. So on the structurally, we say, okay, yesterday was 4-hour structural high, market push up, it takes out the last 4-hour structure and fails to go higher. If this structure been broken and market was looking to go higher, it's definitely take out this one. So if that's unrespected, on 1 minute on this specific level, what I need is just 15-minute time rotation, and I'm all in, because I know 4-hour structure fails, what's gonna target? This low. Simple. Absolutely simple. Okay, so just let me know, guys, if you still can hear me, because I think if you can still hear me and see my screen. Anyone? Still shows streaming. Alright, cool. I was just surprised for a second. I thought maybe nobody heard me. Alright, cool. Okay, so that's probably pretty much covered for liquidity. But like I said, we will cover every single topic in the recorded video. So now we can record on the YouTube. So we're gonna record the specific topics for each specific videos for each topic, and that's gonna just put in video in the education section. So definitely we will focus on next week on that part. more regarding liquidity, yeah, I think that's, it's pretty market structure liquidity, pretty straightforward part. It's as a PDF there is just few pages, because it's just exactly, it's either liquidity level fails to, if the market fails to push lower and rejects from liquidity level, it's flipping bullish or bearish storyline, and you just, you want to see, okay, if this 4-hourly gets respected and then market fails, and you have daily above here example, and then you have what 4-hour in lines with the daily both bearish, so you want to trade in the same directions, higher probabilities. So that's one thing. Another thing, just quickly to maybe cover, we are here testing some trend continuation or trend reversal signals for specific patterns. That's okay, we swept one side, we swept another side, because you can see on this cloud we have a 50%. It's just for algorithm to recognize if we are like looking to code like if we put all and signal positive, bullish, bearish signal for 4-hour, I think we should have a signal here. Because like example here, we have a condition that, okay, we want to see market already going higher, so it's mean we have a low on the structure, and we put one more structure high, a low, and then I want to see that this been swept this level, and that's mean, okay, this been swept, the market closed, like at the moment it's just a break, then it breaks this and breaks higher, but we definitely want to see like, okay, pin bars and engulfment on this market structure level, and when it starts to close inside, so it's mean we know instantly with one signal, okay, that low been respected and this been just swept. So now we expect what from this point, target bang that side. Ideally, yeah, that's ideally, but like instantly first is like from here you target another side of the structure, because that's mean if this market structure fail, they're gonna target another side, because they and stuff like that. So we're basically testing some conditions where maybe you have, I don't know, broke on one side, broke on other side, pull back, and rejection from 50%, and just a few examples like that. Then as well, market structure, yeah, bearish, sorry, market structure breakout storylines. Now it's gonna probably show on, if you go 1 minute, it's probably better. This function specifically will be for screener, for like multi-pair screener. So basically, what does it line show? Visually displays now, okay, where's the last not storyline, because we can't see each from another pairs, we are not going to be able to see each single liquidity level, because you have storylines on the any liquidity level triggered, and then you have storylines same liquidity level, which is breakouts. So breakout is what, when one side and another side been swept and another side swept, and then it's produced the breakout. So basically now what this shows is like breakout attempt to high side, breakout attempt to out, bullish, and breakout attempt to bearish, and it's instantly gonna show that same storyline on as the liquidity, but it's only gonna keep the storyline for breakouts. What this instantly gives us, it instantly says us, okay, if we same time we have a alignment with the multiple storylines. Like look here, we have a breakout to the high for what? For 4 hour, for hour, that's hourly, and for 50-minute here. So you know this zone, if that breaks, that's breakout on 50-minute, on 1 hour, on and then 4 hour. So instantly know, okay, for this pair we have breakout on 4 hours. So basically you will see the same. You're gonna see the same if we put on liquidity levels for 15 and we have these breakout labels. The labels will be showing here as well. So we like, look, this is 4 hourly failed breakout. There, that's the 50-minute. Maybe it doesn't show that far back. Yeah, you see, this was 4-hour breakout. It's put the label on that one and that one as well. On this one again, just because it's breakout again, we have 50-minute here, 50-minute here, and that's as well as hourly. This 4 hour, but we switch on the hourly time, on just turn off 4 hourly, that will be as well the 4 hourly. So this will give us the capabilities to see the fail breakouts or trend breakouts on any pair. So that's like a really interesting concept. So we will see how it goes. Okay, that's regards the liquidity. Oh, we already are. Okay, I will try to go quicker. Regards the next question, regards the high the range, lower the range, setups, daily process every day to look for trades and strict steps to follow. Okay, let's quickly cover what we look on daily basis. So one of the major things, as you know, first criteria for us is liquidity. So we are looking, okay, where we could expect market reverse after liquidity sweep. So one of the major things for us is the liquidity. So definitely on daily basis, we that's why we are working on that automatic technical analysis for the Discord. So basically then it's just gives the ability to just scroll through the screenshots on the Discord and see, all right, that pair is there, that pair is there, that pair is there. So example today, yeah, like example today, if you have like 6 London's time, so basically here you have a screenshot on the Discord, and you can see, all right, I have resistance on the daily storyline up there, and then our lower levels are liquidity levels there. So you'll say, okay, on Euro USD, all right, just from liquidity perspective, I want to see the market, maybe hourly or 15-minute, hourly sweep here up, or no, it's created 4 hourly and swept. So basically my point of interest will be here or here, just from liquidity perspective. Next step will be, okay, regards the key levels. Oh, lol. Look at the low of the day. Absolutely nuts. Where it's rejected from quarterly open price. Absolutely mind-blowing. So basically that's, next step will be, okay, we know where we are interested in the liquidity levels, but then next step is, my favorite part, time rotation, which is open prices. At the moment, we are using mostly high-low of the range labels and open price to display. Because remember, the key levels, they are just the current or last candles range, candles levels. I remember candle is one single candle is weaker than the structure, correct? Because what creates the structure? Many candles, many ranges as a single range. So yeah, and we know, okay, yesterday we had the high of the week. So wait, okay, we have the high of the week yesterday, so it will be yesterday was put in place high of the week. I will say, okay, regards the high of the range, low of the range, multi-time frame order flow, what we have. Yesterday we put high of the week. So can I have a high of the day setup on daily storyline? Looks we're rejecting quite nicely. But same time you see, oh, we, low of the day put in place on quarterly open. That's like big, because what does it mean? Does it mean what? Where was the quarterly low? Down here. So look, the quarterly range, the quarterly candle managed put new, low of the quarter and pushed up above the quarterly open, rejected from low. Unbelievable. Look where the high of the quarter, where is rejected from monthly storyline. Absolutely nice. So that's huge. So if this quarterly fails, the monthly storyline gonna push that market down, probably all the way wherever is the weekly storyline or weekly liquidity below, or if we go daily, just curious because I didn't analyze this pair. Oh, 1 second. What? Oh no, it wasn't. No, it was daily, not monthly. Why I'm mistaken, just because it was probably 4 hour and daily. So blue and red probably created kind of purplish. Alright, so it's irrelevant. So in this case we know what we have quarterly open, so we are bullish. We're definitely bullish for this pair. What we want to see, the daily flip. Oh man, it's so bullish. Look at this, absolute nuts. We have yearly bullish, quarterly bullish, yearly where's the quarterly? Oh, quarterly is even lower. So yearly is bullish, monthly is bullish, weekly is bullish. So I'm expecting they're gonna break through and go higher. Definitely. So what is the highest levels from here? Yeah, I know it's daily, but they broke already quarterly. They got hold on quarterly open, so quarterly candle is bullish now. And then so what is the next obstacle on this term? You have yearly open. So as soon daily fails, you have only weekly structural high, liquidity level to take it out, and then it just some liquidity here, but from levels you have yearly open. So that's like if somebody is swing trading, because as I say, time frame is irrelevant. Time frame is just strength. As higher time frame, higher levels is bigger strength, bigger rejections, more pips on the rejection, but concept is completely same. Is irrelevant. Do you trade 15-minute candles and 1 hour candles and 15-minute storyline / hourly storyline? Because it's principle same. You have specific levels, either fails or either breaks and retests, and then that like I said, like look, when this daily flip bullish, what was the first obstacle? Time frame high, which is monthly storyline. Same time, it could be changed by daily, whatever here, but daily structure was already here. So look, it swept structural daily low all the way up and already flipped all this bullish. Amazing. And just let me check if there's any questions. So do you start with multi-time frame high low structure? yeah, regards the high-low tracker, which is and this one. So basically here you can, like I said, I will filter out instantly. I will say, okay, I want to see, you know, price closed open price, and then I want to see price close to high low. You know, like if you're looking to daily setups, you want to price close to high low. Then you can keep an eye on the weekly. If you're looking to daily candle expansions, then you say, okay, which pairs are close to previous high low on the weekly, you know, on weekly. Like if you have a price really close to open price and close to previous candles high low, it's like, oh nice, you know, because that's mean what? You have a potential weakness or potential breakout, either from weekly range, you know. When I'm speaking about ranges, that's just simple single candles time frames range. Multi-time frame key levels, that's specifically for current range, for previous range, that's for current time frame, previous time frame, current candle, previous candle, you know, same thing. And same for any you know, time frames. Previous high low, you have, okay, you know, potential maybe peak formation, they swept the previous high, but then I will say, okay, I want to see what structural high or low is at that candle's high low of that range high low, because on I don't know, like previous days highs low, it could be even, you know, daily structural high, but it could be even just maybe hourly structural high, you know, or depend how much it's retraced. We're gonna, like I said, on breakout liquidity levels, we will look into create a screener for to be able to know when the market breaks out or fails, but same time it will give us opportunity to probably the code to see how far the price is like from you know, from the market structures trend line storylines, from breakout, from failed breakout storylines, so we know, you know, because like I said, structure is above the key levels, just because it's way stronger. You can expect way bigger moves than just, you know, if that's previous whatever day sweep or previous week sweep. If that's, you know, previous day sweep, but we know that's like, I don't know, like here. Yeah, why I talk this is monthly, because monthly is purple, because it's daily and 4 hourly. It's kind of look purple, that's why I talk. But just look here, just absolutely nuts. Look at this, like you have this daily structural level comes absolutely no idea from 1 hour. Yeah, it comes from here. So some this structural high. So basically it shows market tried to push up and just failed. Whichever, I think this was this candle. Or one of them. It just failed. And same time 4 hourly been, oh no wait, it's maybe this one. Oh no, it's I think this, oh yeah, sorry. It's that one. So we have this daily structural high, mark went up, swept that one, swept local 4 hour, and just felt miserably, you know. And so we know daily flipped, storyline flip bearish, so we are looking for, you know, bearish setups. 4 hourly, so you're targeting what? If that fills and targets the 4 hour structure, that's gonna be taken. So we know, you know, we don't have a random targets, because we don't use any expansions or whatever, because we know for institutions to fill their positions, they need opposite side. What is opposite side? Retail liquidity, stop loss. So all these levels are stop loss. For them to be able move market, they need absorb the liquidity to fill the positions to reverse the market. So, and you have specific single price level, which is your invalidation. Either it does the job or not. And like from this daily storyline, where is the next daily liquidity? It's always there. It didn't went there. Why? What's that level? That's monthly structural low. So monthly structural low, hold bullish. They took 4 hourly flipped bullish. So if 4 hourly flips bullish, what's that? 4 hourly is the obstacle for daily. So now we can say, okay, 4 hours bullish. We have a retracement, perhaps to invalidate daily, or just retracement up to next 4 hourly. Flips bearish, down, probably hourly, flip bullish, up, and so on, so on. So always you need two reference. As for coding, you always need 2 reference points for context. It's either 2 time frames, 2 storylines, or 2 highs, lows, low of the day, low of the week, low of the day, high of the month, high of the quarter. Obviously we're looking for what? Next week, high of the week, and so on, so on. That's regarding high of the range, low of the range, multi-time frame, order flow. That's another thing what we want to. So basically, yeah, like this table we are using for checking, okay, do we have a maybe weekly setups today, or daily setups, monthly setups, intraday setups. You can have what? Lower the how is gonna say, look, intraday, you need to have a low of the day, and then you need to have a low of the 4 hour, which gets respected. That's what we use. So that's why we have a, I think, monitoring up to 4 hours. So if you have a low, because remember, like example, whenever, like when this low of the day was, low of the week was put in place, low, this was previous, yeah, low of the week was put in place, that was as a low of the day. It was as well low of the 4 hour. Again, 2 time frames, so next 4 hour, and you compare 2 time frames, either same time frame or 1 time higher. So basically what I mean by that, it means same as for structure. What can invalidate structure? If that's 4 hour, another 4 hour gonna invalidate, or the same 4 hour gonna invalidate. What's the first obstacle? 1 time frame lower, hourly storyline. For the ranges, that's low of the week, low of the day, low of the 4 hour. So instantly, as soon this 4 hour closes, you have 2 reference points. You have low of the 4 hour and low of the 4 hour. So you instantly, okay, this open holds, you open put low, this 4 hour opening holds. It puts in place low of the 4 hour, engulfment. That's it. I'm looking for entry because it shows me low of the 4 hour. This 4 hourly low respects previous 4 hourly low, slash this low 4 hourly low respects low of the day, which is 1 time frame higher. And that's it. I'm looking, okay, then you'll say, okay, that's like Friday, that's probably Friday was low of the month, should be, no, it's not low of the month. Low of the month, yeah, oh, that's previous week's low. Yeah. So this same low, same thing, like why I mentioned same time frame, because look, this is low of the week last week, so this week's low of the week it's not just respecting this today's low of this week's low of the week. It's not just respecting previous week's low of the week / one-time high and low of the month, but as well it respects previous week's low, because same time, if we go weekly candle, look at the weekly candle, same principle that previous week's range, this week's range, you hit 2 reference points. So what candle can do? It either can come, sweep, stop hunt previous candle, go down, stop hunt previous candle, creates peak formation, reverse, or it can come, respect the previous candle and reverse, aka inside bar developing. So we want to see that this low, what is his relationship with previous low. You instantly have 2 reference points. From 2 reference points, you instantly can create the context. That's regards high of the range, low of the range, and like I say, yeah, this, first is liquidity. Where's the liquidity levels? Which storylines in multi-time frames and lines. Which time frames are only breakouts or fail breakouts. The next one is high of the range, low of the range, specifically multi-time frame order flow. So we know which maybe not the best example. Basically, the goal for this multi-time frame order flow is exactly to see which high of the year, high of the quarter, high of the month, high of the week, such example. So it shows the multi-time frame order flow that each time frame lower respects the previous time frame, so it's trends down. That's same time we covering what's the difference between trend reversal and trend continuation. So for this high of the quarter, like whatever this quarterly candle, this quarterly high is what for this quarterly candle? That's reversal. Quarterly candle open, put high of the quarter and reversed. This quarterly high for yearly candle is what? This quarterly high for the yearly candle is trend continuation. Why? Because yearly open, yearly put high of the quarter, high of the year, move down, failed, pushed, put what? Next time frame over, high of the quarter, put high of the quarter, and trending continuing down there. As far as yearly open is holding, if that holds, for yearly, we still bearish. For quarterly, we put low of the quarter, we opened, we put low of the quarter, we rejected, we put low of the month, because for quarter is what? That's I think that's same probably. Low the quarter and low the month is probably it's or not. We're gonna finish in just drop few questions. If somebody have, we will finish in like 10 minutes. Okay, so it's not the best example, but the example if regards the quarter, that's quarterly low, we reclaim the quarterly open. Example, if this was low of the month, if that was low of the month, then low of the quarter, low of the month was trend continuation for quarterly range to expand. will give you, I don't know if you, I think I showed already once, the way how you can really see the difference between trend continuation and trend reversals for specific ranges. On the settings, just choose 2 time frames. Example, it really looks great with just weekly and daily. So you want to see high-low range for weekly and high-low range for daily, and you want to put previous days and previous weeks, so it draws that, and make sure you have dates back, like whatever 100 or something. So what's gonna do, it's gonna show you the weekly range, and in the weekly range how it's developed. And then if we go 50 minutes perhaps, just let me check. Okay, so maybe make it simpler if I put 7 or 5 just under, since it shows only the last week. Alright, yeah. So what I mean regards trend reversal, trend continuation. So now we have on the screen what? Previous week's levels, previous week's highs, previous week's low, the current, okay, we don't need weekly's high-low range. So basically what I was looking for, we were looking for previous weeks and previous days. Current HLR we don't need because that's the current, except if we want to see the last one. Oh no, bullshit, sorry, my bad. We want to see HLR range, so it shows us the current, previous, and then let me check. Okay, we don't want to previous. Okay, we don't want previous day. So basically, you want to have a HLR. Yep. All right. Oh, that's better. So what you can see now, you can see how the week price action for the weekly range, how the price action played out for the weekly range. And then you can see how price action played out for every single day. So now you visually can see, alright, daily and weekly push up, daily reversed on low of the day, but the weekly put high of the week. This low of the day played as trend continuation for weekly. So basically one time frame, so basically high of the range, low of the range of one time frame lower is reversal, but for one time higher it's continuation. I hope it makes clear. So one time frame lower, high of the range, low of the range is reversal for that example. This daily candles high and low, high of the day, low of the day, is for daily what? Reversal, because we had a daily open, we put down, we put low of the day, and we reversed. But for weekly, we had low of the week, we had high of the week, low of the week in place, we pushed up, weekly put high of the week in place, we pull down, one time roll, put low of the day, respecting low of the week. What weekly candle does, expands further. And same thing, here, as I said, you can this is high of the week at that point. Low of the high of the day does what? Respects respects half the week. Daily reverses, weekly pullback or potential reversal for weekly. Just because we have half the week, you know, we retrace nearly to the dollar and then reversing. So no, weekly range is still bullish because we above the weekly open, but possibility we can push down and target, you know, open or maybe, you know, low the week till proven otherwise. But remember, you can do what? You can compare high of the day, low of the day at that point. If that's reversal, we're definitely gonna target, just speaking of the ranges, not liquidity anything, we can definitely target the low of the day. If that fails and this is open, this is what developing first, a red day on the on the daily. So we're gonna target what? Single range, single time frame, single candle. If it's reversed, what's gonna target? Previous day's low. Bang. What instantly this low does? Oh, this low respects low of the day and just swept these morons who was long in this day. So this day I'm coming in market, which is Thursday. What do I know? I know this day, oh fuck's sake, was respecting low of the week, you know, multi-time frame order flow, and to this Thursday's low of the day respects what? The same time frame before. Daily respects previous day, previous day's low. Previous day's low respects low of the week. Multi-time frame order flow. So that day, like definitely this London session, I'm looking for low of the 4 hour. Low of the 4 hour if respects low of the day. Low day respects previous day's low and low of the previous day respects weekly. Daily flips bullish. Off you go. Guess what we're gonna target? Just from single weekly's range expansion. That is what? Weekly's range trend continuation. Daily's trend reversal. Target definitely this high of the week, which has been taken out. You know, it doesn't take further. But that's definitely a no liquidity. I know we have a liquidity level there, blah blah, or maybe something higher. So yeah, that's regarding multi-time frame, high and low of the range. Hope this definitely helps. And like I said, we will cover more regarding time rotations, big formations, trend continuation, trend reversals on education section and hopefully in coming week we're definitely gonna focus on videos and stuff. So is there any questions demo? Because I think we're gonna wrap in few minutes. I think we covered major questions what we had it. If there is no more questions, then thanks guys for joining and see you next week. If any questions, just drop us the questions in the Discord, and if any public member is here, so definitely you have opportunity, just drop us questions. There is showcase, you can see the tools, and time to time on the lives on the live Q&As we will have events where we giving some free trials and so on. So alright, you have our contact, so thanks everybody and see you to the next week. Bye.